हमारे लास्ट वीडियो में हमने द प्रेजेंट सिंपल एंड द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस को सीखा था और आज हमारा प्लान है कि हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सिंपल और कंटिन्यूस को डीपली समझने का। वीडियो को आखिरी तक देखिएगा तो पूरा समझ पाओगे। एंड फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो मी, हाय, I am Archana Kayale from Good to Excellence, and here we help our students achieve English language fluency, confidence, and success in their career and as well as personal life. And yes, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon to be first to watch the video. So let's begin. चलो अब शुरू करते हैं। सो पहले हम देखते हैं द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सिंपल टेंस एंड व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू सी देयर। वी विल सी द यूसेस, एग्जाम्पल्स, सो यूसेस विथ एग्जाम्पल्स एंड रूल्स। ओके, so what is the first use of the present perfect simple tense? To talk about experiences or actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past but are still relevant in the present. For example, I have visited Paris several times or I have performed on stage. So this is the experience of visiting Paris or performing on stage. Then the second one is to discuss actions that started in the past and continue up to the present moment. Now check this example. She has lived in Bangalore for 5 years. What does it mean? That means she completed 5 years and still lives in Bangalore. Then the third one is to express actions that have just been completed. For example, children have just finished their homework. Or you can say, sorry, you can't meet Yash, he has just left. That means the action took place just maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. Now let's understand the rules. With I, you, we, they, we use have plus past participle of the main verb. For example, I have gone, we have gone, you have done, or they have done. With he, she, it, we use has plus the past participle of the main verb. She has gone, he has gone, it has gone. Is it clear? Good. Now we will check the present perfect continuous tense. Again we will check the uses with examples and the rules. So first is to emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues up to the present. Check this example. She has been studying English for 3 years. That means she has started 3 years ago and still she is studying. It hasn't stopped yet. Then the second one is to highlight recent or temporary actions. For example, they have been working on the project all day, or he has been feeling unwell lately. So these are the temporary situations that started some time back. Now check the rules. We use have been and has been plus ing form of the main verb. I, you, we, they have been working hard this week. Or he, she, it has been sleeping for 3 hours. So have you got it? Now quickly delve into the comparison between these two tenses, the present perfect continuous and the present perfect simple tense. So the present perfect continuous tense, what it says, it emphasizes on how long the activity was going on. I have been waiting for the bus for the last 30 minutes. And the present perfect simple tense focuses on how many times the action took place. For example, I have watched Bahubali 8 times. Now, present perfect continuous form focuses on the activity itself and it does not talk about the completion of the activity. For example, I have been preparing for the contest. But here we are not talking about whether the preparation is over or not. Now, the present perfect simple tense, what it does? It focuses on the result or the completion of the action. For example, I have sent email. That means I have sent email. The action is over, but we are not talking about when. So that's the difference between the present perfect continuous and the present perfect simple tense. So we saw the uses with examples and the rules and learned the clear difference between the two. Watch the video again and again to understand it better. If you want to learn more, want feedback, or have regular assignments and environment to improve your language, please WhatsApp us on 948 35 07050. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and share the video with your friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.